Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to check the laptop temperature on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So, go into the browser. Now type in Core Temp. Oops, I don't have Wi-Fi enabled, so connect. Okay, now once again, go into the Core Temp and click download. Now it is downloading, open the file, yes, next, accept the agreement, next. Here you can browse where you want the application to be installed on, click next. Here are some additional settings, do what you want to, and click next and install. So now, as you can see, we are done. Don't launch, finish, close the browser, open the Core Temp, yes, and in here you have the temperature of your CPU. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.